Good day mga karelo. So today we have a watch review here. Tag-Heuer Professional 200 meters. Black dial. Loom in a hour hand. Minute hand. And then some of the hour marking. They have a number here. Position. Okay, let's check. They have a number here on the position 12, 9, 6. And of course, they have a number on the bezel 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Let's check. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. Okay, 60. Consider as a one revolution of an hour. So this consider as 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55. So very good and nice, elegant. So we can check the rotational bezel, unidirectional. As you can see here, I rotate for you. You hear the clicking sound when I turn it. Most common on the divers watch, they have a rotating bezel, unidirectional, to measure, to how long you can spend of your oxygen tank. Okay, of course this used for 100 200 meters water resistance. We can see if they have a play when I turn it back. So no, as you can see, when I turn it on, okay, they have a play, as you can see. But it's good because some of the part is quality part, but the bezel maybe not good because as you can see they have a shake here. Tag-Heuer Professional 200 meters. Of course, this is watch review. I can transparent on what I can notice for the watts. So as you can see, maybe the bezel is not good for me. But of course, it's a Tag-Heuer watch, Swiss made, so maybe we can explore some. Stainless steel bracelet. Double lock buckle here with logo of Tag-Heuer. Very smooth. The stainless steel bracelet, as you can see. So since this is to resist of 200 meters, so design it for diving. As you can see, they have a Tag-Heuer here on the buckle. They have a double lock on the buckle. Of course, let's check the lock if it's good. When I did not put the second lock, we can easily to remove. If you can swim on the water, so as you can see, I can forcing to remove. So good. So thumbs up for this because not easily to remove. So even if this lock is accidentally removed during your swim on the water, so it's safe, your watch, you did not lose. So you can see this is a single lock, and then what I mean, this is a first lock of the buckle commonly, and then second lock for security of the purse of the buckle. As you can see, let's check. Of course, we can check if they have a diving extension here. So sadly, they have no diving extension of this watch. So I don't know why, Taguer, why you don't put a diver's extension for this watch. This watch is have 200 meters of water resistance. Commonly, they have a diver's extension of the watch like this. Same buckle. I can show you. Same buckle, but they have a diver's extension here, as you can see. Same buckle. Of course, this is a lady watch, and then this is a men's watch. Even lady, of course, this watch is the size is for unisex. We can use it. So let's check the back case detail of the watch. As you can see, this is a Swiss since 1860 Tag Heuer WN1210, the part number. Of course, they have a serial number also. Let's check. Okay. So I'm disappointed for this because you need additional link if you want to use it for diving. What I mean, if you have a diving suit. So we don't have a diver extension here. Okay, shall we proceed? So let's check. This is a screw down lock crown. Okay, I release it. First turn, adjusting the date clockwise, as you can see. Okay, let's explore the number of the date. You can check all to view every single number of the date. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then let's check the time. So currently, I pull in the second pull. Let's check. Okay. As you see, the second hand watch stop. So currently, so nothing changed. So maybe we are around 2, 3 p.m. So ongoing. Let's check. And then let's observe what time we can change the date. So currently, we are in 11 p.m. 11:50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. Slightly move the date as you notice, not in the center. 56, 57, 58, 59. Okay. And then 12. Okay. So as you notice, almost past 12. This watch was changed maybe around 12:04:03. So we can observe it. So that's it. You can notice almost past 12 when the watch is but of course common, some of my review watches sometimes is a 12/11/55. Some watch exactly 12, changing the date. And then some of the watch is around past 12 of the changing the date. Of course, is a watch review. Okay, I returned the crown first before we proceed our review to avoid accidentally damage. Okay, of course, this is a watch review. So I show you the mechanism. By the way, guys, this is a battery operated watch. So let's check the mechanism of the watch. I show you how to do it. So commonly, let's remove the buckle here. You can place it here. So we have a watch opener here to easily to show you the mechanism of the watch. So as you can see, even you guys, you can do it. If of course this is a battery operated, as you can see, easily to open. If you want to change the battery, guys, if you have like this watch, you can easily to open. But this is a watch review, that's why I show you the mechanism of this watch. So let's focus on our camera first. Okay, so this is a mechanism of the watch. As you can see here, the mechanism of TagHeuer WN1210. We can see very beautiful mechanism. So this is the ETA manufacturing mechanism. I noticed that they have a no TagHeuer lettering here, but don't worry, guys. This is a original TagHeuer watch. As you can see here, they have an ETA logo here. So some new model watches, they have no TagHeuer. Maybe some watch they have lettering here on the blue side. They have a lettering here of TagHeuer, but this one is no. But no worry, guys. As long as your watch is same as this mechanism, no worry. This one, your watch is original. So they have a gasket, the battery operated. They have a protecting cover here. So okay, we return it. I show you how to return. So if you do it, you can same watch like this. You can change it your own, and then I demo to you how to open. So that's it, guys. I hope you like this watch review for this TagHeuer Professional 200 meters. So please subscribe to our channel for more watch review. Thank you, guys, and bye bye.